I never set out to ever be a solicitor or for that matter, to deal in immigration. If I had my way, I'd be happily, crewing a yacht somewhere in the Caribbean. But I distinctly remember my father telling me that if that was my choice, he'd kick me out the house. So law seemed to be a good option at the time. And certainly it was something that I found at school level and university level that I was very passionate about. So from that came an interest in criminal law. And indeed, my first experience from an immigration side was dealing with those who'd been picked up for immigration violations in the UK. That's how I got into this. I fell into it, I suppose, but certainly enjoy doing it. For me, it may sound odd, but I think I enjoy, perhaps there's a little bit of the rascal in me, but I enjoy the idea of contributing to globalization. Moving people around the world is something I certainly enjoy. I'm a great believer in the world being a better place if we have more people in different countries. How about that?